Alright, hey guys. Today we're playing Level Devil. Whoa! Alright. I know I'm like super late to this because like it's been recorded and everything by other people. Ah! Oh my god. Okay. Alright. I have played this game before. I mean, I haven't played this yet, but this version, oh my god. This version, because I like played a rip-off version. But if you guys do want more of this or other PC games or VR games or something, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will definitely do more of this. I am scared. Ah! Oh my god. Oh. Stop. Alright. There we go. Alright. Oh, I could play WSD. Sorry, I was playing with the arrow keys because Stop. Ah! Hooey! That's what that. Yeah. Let's go. Oh. Oh my. Run, 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 run. Oh wait. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Run! Run! Ah! Run, 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 run! Okay. Run! Oh my god. Alright. I didn't even make it to the church. Oh. Yay. Whoa. Oh no. Ah. Okay. This game is so much fun. Oh no. Woo! How am I supposed to get? Oh. That was easy. Alright. I say that and then I'm gonna die in the next 2 seconds. What is that? Why? Yes! Come on. Ding 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 ding. Whoa. Yes, I got it. Come on, guys. What? What? Wait. Do you see that I'm walking? Okay. Oh. One of these are real. I had the right idea, I just didn't know which one it was. This one. It was double. Oh, the ding 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 dings. No! What the heck? Oh my god. What if I just run? What if I jump? Jump. As if I get the coin? Yay! Aw. I'm happy and sad at this actually, because I beat the level. No. I beat the level, but then I also couldn't get the noise. Oh. my god. What else am I gonna expect from this game? I am also wanting to also do like trap adventure 2. If you guys do wanna watch that, please let me know. Hopefully we can get this video to like 5 likes. And if we get this video to 5 likes, that's first of all gonna be the most that we've ever done, that we've ever gotten. Oh my god, control. Oh. Alright. And then if you guys do want me to do that, then I will definitely do that. Oh, okay. Onward. What the? Wait, I can't. Oh, I'm making this bike jump. Oh my god. What? Oh. Oh my god. By the way, I'm not using a PC on this, I'm just using a computer. I mean, they count it as a PC. But anyways, oh, inversion. What? Oh, now it's normal. Oh, okay. The heck? I'm gonna lose my mind. That noise makes me. Oh. Yeah, we did it. Alright. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. What? Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Jump. Whoa, I thought that third one was gonna fall also. Oh. Oh. Oh, oh my god! I'm gonna lose my mind playing this game. Yes! Come on, let's go. What is this? Whoa. 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 What? What? I think that could have been easier. I feel like that one was like an easy level. I think this one was like an easy level too. Oh my god. Yeah, if you guys do want to see me play by myself more, or if you want me to play with my friends more, let me know. Oh my god. Anyways. Okay. Oh my god, it's definitely. Oh! Okay. I honestly thought they turned into. I'm bad. Alright, I'm going back to Airpiece. I was playing with WASD. And I'm still bad either way. Oh my god. Come on. Come on. Yes! 4 didn't fall or anything. What the heck? Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Anyways. Okay. Okay. This one's gonna be on the ceiling. Yeah. Oh my god. If you do guys want part 2, if there is more. Oh my. My mind is not functioning properly. Ah! Oh. Did I do the right thing or did I do the wrong? I think I did the right thing. I think I did the right thing. I didn't even jump. Oh my god. Oh, so you could barely make it. Okay. Oh! I could barely make it with that one. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Come on. Go. 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 Oh my god. Okay. Ah! Okay. What? Okay. We did it. Hopefully we get to the next door. This is the way. Okay. I jumped too. Oh. Oh. Oh my. Whew. Alright, next door. Okay, I see. There we go. We did it. Catch me? Okay. Oh, okay. I see. So we gotta go back in the other one. Oh! I clutched that. Alright. Oh. Oh, thank you. Oh. Okay. Onward. god. This game makes you think a ton. What can... No. No. You can't avoid them. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Oh. So I think it's 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. No. It's the 6th one, we just don't go in there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. We did it. Okay. Thank you. Oh. I really needed it. Okay. Alright, there we go. Button. Up. What if I jump? I'm tiny. I'm really big. Oh my god. Oh, same height. Oh, great. Oh, I could do this as a little... No! Oh, I see. I didn't see it before, but now I do. Jump. Go here. Go back. Press this. Go here. Go. Yes! Come on. Oh, I'm ready. Oh my god. I'm super full. You never know what's gonna happen in this game. It's insane. Oh, okay, so it didn't fall for the trick. Pretty sure the trick is... Why? Oh my god! My heart skipped a beat. Okay. Alright. Oh, my heart. This game. Oh. The door brings the level to you. What? Oh my god. Go. Run! Oh my god. I almost got my toes. What? Pretty sure this is not how the door works. I can't. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh! I was sweating. Run. I get the feeling. Oh, I see it. You guys see it? Let me know. It seems like the door is moving. No! So far I got this thing down. Oh my. Okay. I think I'm gonna get through all the levels. God, what am I doing? I'm not making it. Run. Ah! I don't think I was gonna make it anyways. We're not skipping. Get out of here. Go. 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 Oh, wait. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. I did it first try. Oh. Wait. Oh. The door. Ah! Oh no. We're better like that. Yes. Ew. What? Did it not activate? I don't think I triggered it. Oh, okay, thank you. That could have been real. Oh my god! Oh! You. Run, run, run from the Jews on earth. Thank you. Oh my god! I think it's slowly. Not gonna lie, I think it's slowly losing color. What the heck am I playing? Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. That one didn't seem very hard. Alright. I want to try to get to the end. Oh. Oh, it's Flappy Bird. Okay. Okay, that's pretty cool. Why don't we just... Oh. Oh. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my god. Huh? How am I supposed to get it to send? No. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, so you have to just go up right there. Okay, there we go. No, why did I just run out of jump? Oh my god! It gets harder. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa-wee. Okay. Okay. Oh, I actually did that. One will that. Okay. I was like, when is the door open? Okay. Oh, okay. Whoa. Oh my god. Whoa. I did that. I did it! Oh my god. Ah! Whoa! I barely see myself. Whoa. Oh man, this one is so much better than the last one. What? What was I supposed to do? Did I just go slanted? Or... Oh my god. Oh, okay. Whoa! Did not expect that. Oh my god. Right. Um. Oh. I think I'm gonna end it. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna end it after this level, and if you guys want to make another, if you want me to make another one of these, let me get like 10 likes, 5 likes, a good amount of likes, and I'll do another one, just to finish up the game, yeah. Well, bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, bye.